Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. If we look carefully about e to the power of s to the power of 4, we don't have the integration of this one. So in this situation, we need to reverse the orders dx dy into dy dx, because if we reverse the orders, we need to change the new bounds in here. So we need to graph about the bounds. About the s, we have s is greater than or equals to the cubed root of y and smaller than or equals to number 2. About dy, so y is greater than or equals to number 0 and smaller than or equals to number 8. Now we need to graph about this one in here. So if we look carefully, we put the power 3 for the both side. We have y equals to s to the power of 3. Now we just graph about this one. Because we just concentrate about the positive, so we just graph like this. S equals to number 2. The graph should be like this. The next one from 0 to number 8. That's it in here. So the area we need to concentrate, that should be about this one. Because S goes from this boy to this boy. This is for S, this is for Y. Now, because we just do reversing, so we need to change the new bounds for S and Y. About the first one, that is about Y. So if we look carefully, y is greater than or equal to number 0. That's it from here. And y is smaller than this curl in here. That's it from here. Now about s, we see that s between 0 and number 2. And now we have the new double integrals. So dy, we put this one in here, and this one dx. About dy, we have from 0 to s to the power of 3. About dx from 0 to number 2. And now we need to calculate the integration of dy. We don't have y in here, and we got about y e to the power of s to the power of 3. And now we can put this one in here, and we put the bounds from 0 2s to the power of 3 dx. So I will put this one gone here and this one gone here. Oh, sorry, this is number 4, not number 3. So we have s to the power of 3 minus 0. If we simplify, you got like this. Next, we use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of 4. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. Later that, we divide both sides by number 4. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, that is from here. So I will put number 0 gone here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 0. When s equals to number 2, so I will put number 2 gone here to find the value of u, and u equals to, we have 16. So number 0 we change by number 0. Number 2 we change by 16. S to the power of 4 we change by u. S to the power of 3 dx we change by du over number 4. And now we have the final answer, the integration of this one. We have e to the power of u, and we put the bounds from 0 to number 16. And we have the final answer in here. E to the power of 0, we have number 1. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. That is the end. Thank you for watching.